Assalamu alaikum beautiful people. Today in this video lecture I am gonna teach you about settlement of foundation. What is settlement of foundation? Different types of settlement in building and reasons of settlement in foundation. You can see nowadays after 6 months, 2 months, 3 months and during construction work you will see the cracks in foundation, beam, column, slab as well as in wall. So why the cracks occur in building? What's the reason behind this? So the main reason is settlement of foundation. So therefore watch this video till the end to learn something new related settlement of foundation and how to avoid settlement. Let's get started. If this video is helpful for you, so you may like this video. First of all, I will tell you what is settlement of foundation. Guys, the settlement of foundation is the vertical downward displacement in a building. Okay, so the vertical downward displacement at the ground surface or vertical displacement of structure or building is called settlement of foundation. This is the definition of settlement and foundation. So means the vertical downward displacement of the ground or the vertical displacement downward displacement of the structure or building is called settlement of foundation. Now what are the reasons of settlement and foundation? Okay, so first of all I will tell you the reasons, then I will tell you the types of settlement. Okay, so the first reason is, guys, settlement of reasons of settlement in building. The first one is low bearing capacity of soil. What is low bearing capacity of soil? As you know, we have different types of soil and different types of soil has their different bearing capacity. Some can support maximum load, some can support minimum load, some can support medium load. So it's depend on the different soil and different places. Okay, so therefore I am giving you the example why settlement occur in foundation. The main reason is low bearing capacity of soil. For example, if you buy a chair for your baby and the baby age is, for example, 6 or for example 6 years, okay, and the chair can support 20 kg weight, okay, and if the adult person sit on that chair, so absolutely the chair will be break. So this is the main example of bearing capacity of soil, because the chair can support 20 kg weight, which is the baby weight, for example, and if you put or if adult person sit on that chair, so it will break. So therefore if the bearing capacity of soil is low and you applied maximum load of the structure of the building, so absolutely the soil will make settlement or the earth will make settlement or the structure will go downward or it will make displacement downward in the soil. So that is settlement of foundation. The reason is low bearing capacity. So remember, you should check the bearing capacity of soil. Is the soil can support the structure load or not? If it can support, so it's okay. If it can't support the 2-story, 3-story load, so don't provide the construction on that place or do something, because we have different types of foundation. Then you should try to make a raft foundation, individual footing, combined footing, etc. Pile foundation. Okay, so therefore with that foundation you can increase the bearing capacity of soil. Okay, the second one is, guys, poor compaction of soil. If you don't compact the soil, so after some time or during building construction it settle inside the foundation, or you can say that the soil can settle on that time. So therefore the compaction is very important. So poor compaction is also the reasons of settlement in foundation. The third one is plumbing leaks. So be careful during plumbing work, sanitary work inside building. So if there is plumbing leaks, so the water will go through inside foundation. So in that case it lower the bearing capacity of soil. Okay, so therefore it wastes the strength of soil. So therefore in that case the plumbing leaks is also one of the reason of settlement and building. Okay, The fourth one is, guys, poor drainage. So outsides of the house or the structure, there if you have the poor drainage system, okay, or rainy water problem, because we have more problems nowadays from drainage system. So the poor drainage is also the reasons of settlement. The other one is, the fifth one is tree roots. So when somewhere you can see maximum trees, okay, a lot of trees around about are near with your building, near with your structure. So the roots are inside the foundation sometime, and you don't know, because maybe the tree is far from the structure, about 15 meters, 20 meters, but its roots are inside the building. So in that case, so there you will see a lot of water. The reason is roots, okay. So therefore the tree roots are also the reasons of settlement. So you should cut the trees when the roots are inside the foundation. So there you are not able to construct the building, okay. So it will make settlement. Reason: tree roots, low bearing capacity, poor compaction, plumbing leaks, poor drainage, etc. So now, guys, what are the types of settlement? So now these are the reasons, okay. So how you will avoid the settlement? So choose the good place where the bearing capacity is maximum, or provide the best foundation. We have different types, so therefore you can avoid. Or poor compaction, so therefore you compact the soil, then you will not see the cracks inside the foundation, because due to settlement you will see the cracks in the building. Plumbing leaks, so control this thing. Poor drainage, do something for the drainage system, do the proper system for the drainage system, and cut the trees or the roots inside foundation. So therefore you will avoid these things, okay. You will not see the settlement inside foundation. So now what are the types? We have main three types of settlements. The first one is uniform settlement. So when the uniform settlement occur in the building or in the foundation or in the soil, so it can't provide the cracks. So here you will not see the cracks. So no cracks in uniform settlement, okay. The second one is typing settlement, okay. So the typing settlement is mostly without cracks. The last one is differential settlement. This is very dangerous, okay. So with cracks, you will see the building with cracks if there is a differential settlement. Now the first one is uniformly settlement, okay. So uniform settlement is the whole structure settled at the uniform rate without cracks. So this is not danger. The whole structure settled uniform, right, okay, and uniform rate without cracks. So this is uniform settlement. So this is not a danger, and most of the structure you will see, if there is not if any structure made settlement inside the foundation, and there if you can't see any cracks, so that is uniform settlement. So this is not a danger, okay. The second one is typing settlement. So the typing settlement is when one portion of the structure settled down, one portion, and the other portion not settled, okay. So this, in that case, to a certain depth, okay. So that is called typing settlement, okay. So mostly without cracks, this one. And the last one is differential settlement. So this is very dangerous for any type of building. So it happen with the structure is when the structure is built on soil containing different layers. So on the different layers, if it's containing, so that is danger for the building. So you will see a lot of cracks in beam, column, slab, anywhere you will see the cracks if there is the differential settlement. So differential settlement can occur from these things which I have discussed, from these reasons: low bearing capacity, poor compaction, plumbing, etc. Okay. So guys, this is the topic: what is settlement, types of settlement, and how you can avoid the settlement, as I told you before, and the reasons. So maybe this video can help you. Thanks for watching. See you in next video. Goodbye.